Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be doing another review on a Neewer product. It's the Neewer 660 Bi-color lights. And the reason I got them is because I do a lot of commercial shoots where I'm shooting products. I don't have to use the studio lights and products to shoot to put on eBay. So let me show you what I got. They're from Neewer. Y'all know I like the company Neewer. And there's two sets of panels. Haven't taken this one out of the box yet, but they are metal. They're metal and they're a little heavy. The only place they aren't metal is where you tie them down, where you put them onto your light stand, which is a little bit odd, but nonetheless. They have built-in barn doors. And it comes with a diffuser on the light that you can leave on. And it's got settings on the back, so if I need to go outside, I can put two batteries on the back, and I can control the Bi-color light from here and the power of the light from here. And it also comes with a light stand, which is cool. And something else I like, I don't know why I like these so much, I hardly ever use them, but I love it when the company sends me a nice bag. Like I said, I very rarely use them, but it's just a nice touch. And maybe I will use these since I may be traveling with them some. It's a nice little bag to carry everything in, fit in there pretty good. The light stand is, I've taken one out, it's decent, it's kind of hold it. I wouldn't put a huge heavy light on it, but it'll hold these. And what I've got right here is I've got one that's already put together. Bring it down a little bit so you guys can see it. So when I go to turn it on, it'll be a little bit bright. Yeah, it's not too bright for you. So I can adjust the Kelvin through here. As you can tell, it's getting yellow and yellower. Or I can bring it on back up to 5600, or the lighting power, I can turn it up and down. So I've got two of them, two light stands, two of these, same thing on the back of this with the batteries. It works really well from what I've tried so far. What I'm impressed the most about these is how heavy they are. I mean, not that I like heavy things, I just like them that they feel like they're made good. And the one thing weird that you want to do, if you get some of these, you don't just set this on top of your light stand like you normally would do any other kind of light. What you need to do is set your light stand on it like this. So that way you can control your barn doors, because if you don't, you can't take your barn doors down at all. So put it on the light like this, and then you control your barn doors that way. So that's a new toy I like. I think it'll help me out in the long run, make some things easier to do. And I wanted to have the one set up so I could show you guys. And yet again, you know, it comes with all the plugs and stuff and stands. And again, I love the nice case. And I don't know what it is about me in cases. I got probably 20 of them stacked up. But I just love the fact that they send them. So anyway, these are the ones that I was telling you about that I had a problem getting the other day. They got stolen out of the mail. And Neewer didn't give me any problem. They just went ahead and shipped me another set, which is awesome. I just thank Neewer for that. And all Neewer products do have 2-year warranties on them. So, hey, if you're looking for something like this, I believe it's 45 watt. It's not quite as strong as my studio lights, but I believe it's strong enough for what I'm going to be doing. So, hey, they are the Neewer Bi-color 660 lights. Check them out if you get a chance. I think I'm going to really like them, and I'll report on them again in a few weeks and tell you what I like. So, anyway, hey. Short video today, but I just want to show you these guys, and if we're helping you out, hit subscribe. Thanks. Hey guys, I just want to take this second of your time. If you guys would please hit like and subscribe, it would go a long ways toward helping our channel and help us keep making these videos. Thank you.